Hi, I'm Marlene Pulido. I am 10 years old. I live in Paris, California. I love Jesus. I'm going to tell you my dream. The dream is that the devil was in my house. I'm Christian. Oh yeah, and then the devil was scaring us. Then Jesus said, he's with me, and and one day God is gonna come for his church, and the devil scares people that are the son of the devil, and that are the son of God. He leaves them alone. The son of the devil, when he scares them, he could do something. So I want you to be Christian, when you go to hell, it's ugly. It's very ugly. In hell, you get burned forever and ever, all day and all night, and you can never get out of hell. You stay there forever, and God's not with you in hell. And when you say sorry to God when you're in hell of everything you did bad, he won't trust you. God will not trust you. He will not accept your apology anymore. Okay, and the dream that I had was okay, and the dream that I had, it was oh yeah, the devil was in the house, but he doesn't do nothing to a Christian. He only does bad stuff to that are the son of the devil. Okay, there was the little thing. God put it right there. When all the Christian people were in heaven, and the ones that stayed here in the world, that means that they did bad things. There was a little thing, and then it got up, and it destroyed the world. And so then everyone died on that. And before the people died, they went to hell, and they were crying all day and all night. And yeah, so you better be Christian, because other religions are not good. The only religion is Christian. That's all. So I want you to be Christian, and there was a little bit people who went to heaven, and there's a lot who went to hell. So in hell you won't like it, and this is the truth, okay? The devil do stuff to you if you're the son of the devil, and God, and the devil doesn't do nothing to you if you're the son of God, okay? So yeah, so be Christian, and good luck. Bye.